It's a service project and career builder all in one. Students in the carpentry and painting programs at the Charleston Job Corps Center are tearing down old office space to make way for a bigger and better Habitat for Humanity restored location. It's where they sell donated items to support Habitat's mission to build homes for low-income families.
Zaquan Gray.
Zach, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Charleston, West Virginia.
Oh, okay.
Zaquan Gray is one of the carpentry students.
It's a great opportunity. I plan to come here and get everything that I need and, you know, just graduate from Job Corps.
We got to take down all the studs, framing for the walls.
Student Colton Hammond sees the value of Job Corps.
It's built character, it's built responsibility on top of existing responsibility. It's helped me, realize what I want to do for work.
Have you seen the restore on the other side?
Yeah, I actually have. I've seen it when I came in here.
We paint this wall, and I'm currently working on one of the education rooms.
Angel Martin is in the painting program at Charleston Job Corps. This service project is giving her good experience. One day, she wants to paint buildings high in the sky.
Like, my dream is just to be up on a tall building or skyscraper, painting that, and be able to look down, see the scenery.
3 great students, all with a goal to build new careers and make life better for themselves, thanks to Job Corps.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to go out and actually do some of the real work. That's going to help me get into the UBC, United Brotherhood of Carpentry, and after that, I'm just going to work the rest of my life and not have to worry about money again, man.